Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I am going to do a swipe. This is a technique that I learned from Jilly Cube. She has a web YouTube channel. She does some really amazing things. I'm very enamored with her work. What I've done is I've taken a few colors here. This is a medium magenta by Liquitex Basics, a Naples yellow from Master's Touch. This is an orange from Master's Touch, and a Dioxazine purple from Liquitex Basics. And I've made a couple of different shades out of these. I've made 5 different colors along with my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. This is the Dioxazine purple. And today I have mixed these with 1 part paint to 2 parts of my pouring medium, which is today Elmer's Glue All and water, and that's a 70% glue to 30% water. So I am going to put a couple of drops of the treadmill silicone on them, in them. I'm going to do 2 drops per cup. Give it a nice stir. This is the Dioxazine purple with a drop of white in it, just to bring it down a little bit. This is the orange with some white. Oops, that was a lot of silicone. A couple drops of white and a drop of the Naples yellow. This is the Naples yellow by itself. Put a couple drops in there. And then I have this medium magenta that I toned down to a lighter pink with some white. I just didn't want it to be quite that bright. Okay. And what I'm going to do is just pour my paints all over the canvas. Like so. These colors that I picked were inspired by a sunset photograph that I saw. Some of the toned down Dioxazine purple. And then with my Naples yellow. Okay. And I just want to join these together so that they cover the canvas. I'm not going to worry too much about the sides yet. I can always touch those up a little bit later. this a little bit. Back to the other side. It's like a crazy combination of colors. I hope it turns out well. See a spot that's not filling, just give that a little touch. And the reason that I am using the glue all and water mixture is because it makes nicer cells than the Floetrol does. The Floetrol works great for some of the things that I do. If I want to do a blow dryer pour or using my straw, it works great. But when you're doing a swipe and you want cells, I found, in fact, I did some test videos testing different pouring mediums a while ago. I can put an iCard up if you're interested in looking at them. Testing the difference between them. Okay, touch the side a little bit. Wipe my hands real quick here. Want to see where the weight of my paint is. Okay. Seems to be pretty well spread out. Okay. Now I'm going to swipe this with the plastic file divider. These are really handy. You clean them off real easy. Grab a couple of paper towels so that I can wipe it off. Take my stir sticks, throw those in the bucket of water. Move some things out of the way. And I want to swipe with my Dioxazine purple. So I'm going to put just a thin line about the center. Not very steady doing this, obviously. So, make sure this is clean. These are nice because you can reuse them. Just wipe them off and reuse them. So I'm going to grab just a little bit of that purple. Let it settle just very slowly. Bring it down. Catch this spot right here that I missed. Whoop. Okay. Wipe that off. I'm going to come back and change my angle here a little bit. So I was dropping it down quite a bit. Make sure that I have full contact and just gently, slowly glide it down. That'll wipe. I turn my canvas around so that I can swipe towards myself. It's still in good frame for you. Okay. Drop this down. Make sure I have contact all the way across. And just slowly bring it down. Do the same over here. I'm doing this on a small canvas because I'm kind of testing my skill at it. After I do it a few times, then maybe I can get really good at it and make some bigger pieces. Okay, that I can put in my water. Wow, look at that big cell popping up right there. It's really pretty. Very pretty. Now what Jilly does is she makes sections of cells with her torch, and that's what's really pops out with her painting. So I'm going to try and do that. Okay, give it a look, see if there's anything more I want to do. I need one here, maybe here. One right there. And I'm just quickly going down and coming back. I'm going to incorporate this gigantic cell with one. Very pretty. Very pretty. I got a little close with that one. Touch up my sides here. I'm going to take some extra paint that came off the sides. Touch it up. Well, thanks for coming and watching my video. Appreciate it. If you would like to see more videos like this, you can hit the subscribe button. And if you hit the bell, you will be notified when I upload new videos. I try and upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Kind of fits in with my schedule, doing it 3 times a week. I do work full time, so I'm not able to just stay home and paint all day, which I wish I could. So go ahead and subscribe. Share it with your friends. And have a happy day. Let me pick this up so you can get a look. These cells will grow some. So, here we go. I love the way the purple is outlining all of that. It is so pretty. So there we go, guys. Thanks for visiting with me tonight. Bye. Hi everybody. Come back to this, and I'm seeing that I left kind of a prominent line. It's developed beautifully. These cells are just gorgeous. But I don't really like this prominent line in the middle. So it's been a couple of hours. So I'm going to just give it a couple little touches with the balloon to kind of break that up a little bit. So let's see what this does. Ooh, it's pretty. Do one right here. Do one here. Oh, I like it. And do another one rolling off the edge over here just to Trying to give it some similarity. Oh yeah, that breaks it up nicely. I like that. Much better. Thanks for visiting, guys. Bye.